am Gautami Dhage from Indrayani English School. Today we are going to learn your new lesson, pen commands in MSW logo. Okay, I think last year you learned this software MSW logo. So this year we will see more commands about this MSW logo. So the turtle draw a line as it move on the screen. Okay, let's start this. I will open MSW logo. Yes, so this is your MSW logo screen, and can you see a triangle here, a small triangle? So this is a turtle, means in this software we are not calling this shape as a triangle, we will call it as a turtle. Okay, we imagine it as a turtle. So the turtle draw a line as it move on the screen. Okay, when this turtle move on the screen, it draw the line. Can I show you? So I will type one command here, fd 100 rt 90. Okay, see, I am typing here. FD means forward, 100 means you go 100 point forward and just move to right 90 degree. Okay, now I will execute this command. Okay, see, this turtle move in a straight line 100 point forward and just turn the face to the right side at the angle of 90 degree. Now you understand? So this is a turtle who draw the line on the screen. Sometimes you may need to move the turtle without drawing line. For this you can use pen up command and pen down command. Okay, many time what happen, you don't want any line on the screen, so that time you use pen up and pen down command. But most of the time we are using line to draw this shape. Now I will show you one program. Okay, here this turtle, triangular turtle, is going to draw the rectangles or a square. Let's see how it draw. Okay, now fd 100 rt 90. Again I will move this cursor, I will move this turtle in a straight line. Okay, to draw the square, see, two lines are already over. Now I want third line, so I want a line from here. So again forward this turtle 100 point and turn this turtle to at 90 degrees. So again just type forward 100 point, turn to right direction at 90 degree. Okay, again only one line is remaining, so again forward this turtle to 100 point, turn the face at 90 degree. Okay, one square over. How I did? Just I use forward and RT command. Again if you want to draw another circle, use here PU command. Okay, then RT 90 degree, forward 120 degree, then turn to left side at 90 degree and PD. Okay, means see what happened, this turtle move to a new location but without drawing any line. See, have you seen any line here which attach this square? So if you don't want to show any line on the screen, just use this PU command. Okay, and when this PU command is over, use this PD command. Now again we will draw one more square, FD. Again move this turtle upside, RT 90 degree, again 100 RT 90 degree, move the turtle at down Okay, 100 point RT 90 degree. Understand? Now in such a way I draw two square on the screen. So I use only two commands, forward and right. Then we will see hide turtle and show turtle command. If you do not want to see the turtle on screen, use hide turtle and hide turtle, that is in short we can write it as an HT command, and to show this turtle again use show turtle command or ST command. Okay, turtle means if you don't want to see this triangle, if you don't want to see this turtle on the screen, you can use ST command to hide this turtle, and to show this turtle again you can use ST command to show this turtle again. Okay, I will type one command, I will type one program to see this effect. Let's see here, I just type HT at bottom, okay, to hide this turtle. So the turtle get hidden. If you want to see this turtle again, just type here ST. You can see this turtle again. Okay, to hide the turtle, HT command, and to show the turtle, ST command. Can you see it here? Okay, then next point, pin erase and pin paint command. Pen erase and pen paint command. Okay, sometimes you may take mistake while drawing. You can use pin erase command to correct it, and pin erase command is written as PE in short. This command is used to erase a line. Let us understand this with an example. Okay, pen erase means like an eraser. If you don't want any line on the screen, you can erase that line with pen erase command. And if you want to paint something, again you use P a command to paint that line. Okay, just see here, I will take new file now. Just look at here, again I will type FD 100 RT 90 degree. Okay, again we will draw a circle and we will erase one line from the circle. FD 100 RT 90 degree. FD 100 RT 90 degree. Okay, FD 100 RT 90 degree. Now we will erase one line. Okay, to erase a line, type PE, pen erase, FD 100 RT 90 degree. Okay, see, the first one line get erased automatically. So to erase a line, just type PE command. Now you understand? So let's take a recap. In this lesson, we learn first one, pen up, and pen down command. Okay, pen up and pen down command. The short form is PE and PD. While drawing a line, if you want to hide a line, then you can use PE and PD. Then we learn hide turtle and show turtle command. Hide turtle and show turtle command. Okay, short form is HT and ST. Okay, when you don't want a turtle on the screen, turtle means triangle, if you don't want the turtle on the screen, then we use the command hide turtle, and if you want the turtle again on the screen, then we use the command show turtle. Okay, then third we learn pen erase and pen paint command. Pen erase and pen paint, sorry, pen paint command. Okay, the short form is PE and PT. Okay, so this command is used to erase the line or paint the line once again. Here, like we erase that line, see here, PE command we use to erase that line, first line. So this lesson explains these three commands: pen up, pen down, hide turtle and show turtle, pen erase and pen print.